Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see the accountancy chapter number 7, video number 11. This is depreciation, provision and reserves. And in this class we are continuing with the video number 10. There we solved one question. It's half, that means journal entries we passed it, then journal entries are here. Now we are going to make that depreciation account. Depreciation account means depreciation ledger account. The question is saying that the depreciation account we need to show for the first 3 years. Here you know that the date column and all is required, but due to insufficient dates I don't know. Okay, when you are writing here date column and here also date column is required. And this side the company we will write as a depreciation account in the books of that also I am not writing. Here just I write as a depreciation. And first here you need to give that the debit, and this corner you need to give that the credit. And here first column is the date column. After that here J your amount in rupees. This is one side is completed. Next again date column is there. After that JM amount in rupees. Listening. This is depreciation account. How we are? I don't know how much you practice that ledger account. So listen here, okay, if you understand or not, once again you can see here. Here this is depreciation account. So in the journal entry, wherever the depreciation comes, that we are writing here. Related to that we are writing here. So here first you can see that depreciation account debit. Depreciation account debit. Up to here there is nothing saying about that depreciation. Here you can see that the depreciation is there on 2017 March 31st. Depreciation account is there. That depreciation account is debited. Debited to what? To plant account or to asset account. Okay. So here we write the same date, means 2017 March 31st in the date column. After that here you see that this is debit account, debited with the 54,000. So in the debit column of depreciation account, this account is depreciation. So there we write that 54,000. And you see that your name is depreciation, but we will not give that here depreciation. Instead of that we write that to plant account. You understand now? We write this figure, but we give that name as against what it is debited. Here it is debited against a credit. That credit account name we mentioned there. Got clear now? This is depreciation account. What account we are making? When we find that account in the journal entries, whether it is debit or credit. If it is debited, that what amount we debited, that we write in the same debits column itself. And we mention the name here. The debit side itself we mention the name against what it is debited. Here against what it is debited? To plant account. So we write here to plant account. You no need of taking care of that how much amount is there in the plant account. That is not our point. Amount we wrote here. Now easily we can understand that here on that day depreciation was charged against this asset. By seeing this depreciation account itself, we can understand that. Got it, no? If you are writing here depreciation itself, that cannot be understood. Clear, no? So next we are again searching the same day. You can see that depreciation account is credited. Clear, no? So what amount is there? 54,000. In which side it is? In the credit side. This is in the credit side. So credit side we write that 54,000. And here also the same thing we are applying. Depreciation account, it is depreciation account. So we no need of writing that depreciation account. Against what it is credited. Here it is credited against one debit is there. That debit is at a profit and loss account. So we write here profit and loss account. Normally we write it is with the by profit and loss account. Clear, no? Yes. Actually here on by is there, that by is silent. Clear, no? So that by we mentioned here by profit and loss account. Clear, no? And in this year there is no any transaction. Then we are taking that both sides balance 54,000 is here. Balance we are taking like this. We will see that both sides. Which side is falling more? That amount we write in the both places. Here 54 equal only. So that 54,000 we need. Underline. Here also 50,000, 54,000. So there is nothing. That is finished. Next year you know that here also date column is there. In the date column saying that 31st March 2017 will fall. Okay. Date is the same. And now this is 1 year. That means 16-17. 2016-17. And we made the depreciation on March 31st. Okay. Year ends. Next is that 3 years we need to make 17-18. That means 31st March 2018. Clear now? Then first this type of entries will repeat. This is straight line method. No need of any. The same amount will repeat. So next year only date column we need to update. Date column is at 2018. Below this, here is no balance. Okay, if balance is there, we write down that there is no balance. So we write that 2018 March 31st. What account will come here? The same account will repeat. Depreciation account to plant account. So amount also will repeat the same. How? Because already it is identified that the coming 10 years we are reducing 54,000 itself, and that is directly charging to the asset account. So entry, this two entry will repeat. You got now? So we write that Q plan account. Here we write that 54,000. And this entry also will repeat on the same day. That means 2018 March 31st. The same entry will repeat. That is profit and loss account debit with the 54,000 and your depreciation account. So in the credit side we write that again 54,000. And there is also amount is same. This year also amount is same. So we total this, for totaling there is no other amount, only one amount is 54,000. Close that 54,000. You know that if we are giving double line, that meaning is that that amount is closed. Up to that amount is closed. Here 54 is closed. And here also you can see that there is no balance, but here one heading is by profit and loss account. Here you can see that there is no balance. That is why balance carried down is not there, balance brought down is not there. Okay. Next year, yeah, 2018-19. Clear, no? 2018-19. There is also 2019 March 31st. Clear, no? On that day also, what will repeat? The same entries will repeat. No, this entry. This we purchased only once. That installation is also applied only once. That entries are not repeating. Okay. Only one is repeating. These two entries. Depreciation is charging with the 54,000. How long time? For 10 years. Okay. Up to 10 years, this will repeat. So we write that again the same thing, but date you see that 2019 31st March. Name we give, amount is at 54,000. We already got that amount 54,000, and name we give, not depreciation. Again we give the same to non. And here the same day, that the same amount we charge it to profit and loss account. So this entry will repeat by profit and loss account. The amount is same 54,000. And here also you can see that for balancing both sides equal amount is there. So we write that 54,000. 54,000. Clear, no?